everyone, M.M here, and today I will be showing you DIY how to make fluffy slime. So the first thing you will need to do, and disclaimer, if I do this wrong, it's my first time ever making slime, so yeah, it might not turn out so great. So first things first, you're gonna want to add in your glue. You're gonna want to add it all in and get it all out because, well, yeah, the more glue you have is the better. There's a lot of glue in this container. Okay. Now that we're almost done with this glue, after this, we need to mix. You need to mix the glue just to make sure that you don't have any lumps in it, because that still matters. Even though it doesn't seem like it matters, it would matter, it would just even out with the water. It will still make it lumpy and still make it a little bit bad. Also, another thing is that this is very messy. I mean, not super messy, but kind of really messy. So you want to have lots of napkins around. Okay, next, after you're done mixing your glue, get your water and mix it in. Now, something I would like to say is that if you put your water in your glue container, that would be a lot better, because then you'd almost have the same amount of the glue. Now, I'd say not to add it all the way to the top because you want it to be thick. Maybe add just near the top, right here where my finger is. Anyways, I'll be right back. This thing's right here, and I'm going to put my water in. Okay. As you can see, you can maybe see the shade from the water. It's not completely full. It's right here. So then you're going to dunk your water in. It's good if you use the glue container, as I said before, because then you'll get the good amount of water. Okay, now you're going to mix it up. I know that sounds really cringy, but I like to say that. Okay, now when it looks good, which mine doesn't, I don't know why I picked my spoon up. When it looks good, you can take your spoon out, and guess what's next? You add the shaving cream. Yes, finally, the part that makes it fluffy slime. You can use any type of shaving cream, as long as it's not shaving gel. Shaving gel will mess up your fluffy slime because the poofiness of the shaving cream is what makes it fluffy. So yeah, you don't want to add too much because a lot will just overpower it and it'll just mess it up. Okay, so you're gonna start adding it in. Of course, there's not a good measurement of how much you'll need, so you can add basically as much as you want. I know I said not too much, but you can add as much as you want. If you want it to be fluffier, then add a lot. So yeah. Then you start mixing until it looks good. Oh, also, by the way, I forgot to mention the materials. The materials you'll need are glue, water, shaving cream, laundry detergent, which I forgot to add. Let me just add this in right now. Lotion and dye are also something you can put in, but that's optional. So yeah. So basically, after you start mixing it, which I think I put too much shaving cream, but this is the right instructions. If you don't put too much shaving cream like me, which I can basically just take out and put somewhere else. So yeah. Okay, there. Now that I've gotten that out, I can start mixing my shaving cream in with the rest of this stuff, and the blueness of all the detergent is getting into it all. But don't worry, if it turns blue or whatever color the laundry detergent is, that'll go away and it's not going to change the color of your fluffy slime. Because guess what? It's still good. Okay, if you did add a lot, but it still looks like very little, like mine, you are able to add more, but it looks like slime. Also, by the way, just something you should know, with shaving cream, it looks a lot bigger once it comes in because the air molecules go into it and basically make it so that it's a lot poofier than before, maybe like an inch more. I mean, I don't make it sound like, oh my god, it makes it so much poofier, but no, it just makes it a lot poofier. Okay, so then when you're done with this, you can start adding in your lotion and your dye. But I'm still mixing right now. This might seem very boring, so skip ahead if you don't want to watch me, just the part where I'm mixing this. Okay, we're almost done. Looks good, right? Okay, let's keep mixing. Some mixing is done. Okay, we can put this over here. Okay, this is the part where you're gonna add in your lotion, pumps, and your dye. Yeah, your dye. This part of the video is optional because if you already did all the other steps, you can already start kneading it and that'll make your slime. But of course, I want to do the additional part for all you people that do want to do the additional parts. Okay, so first you're gonna add in a couple pumps, small pumps of your lotion. I'd say put 2 or 3, because you don't want a lot of lotion in there, but at the same time you kind of do. If the lotion didn't really do anything to it, then you can add more. I might have to do stop in the video to get more cream. Don't worry, I think we've got enough. Okay, now that we're out of our cream, which I don't know why I got a partly almost empty cream for this video, but now that we got it, we can mix it up with it. And some of you might think, wait, the lotion doesn't seem to be doing anything to my slime. And just so I can say something to that, I just want to see something real quick. It might not look like it, but it'll make it stretchier. You don't need to add lotion, but because some of my friends say that that messes up, but you don't need to believe that, and you can just put the lotion in if you want, because there's a rumor that if you put in the lotion, it'll make it stretchier. Now we're adding in our dye, which I'm just adding in a ton because there was a lot of blue. And like I said before, it won't dye your slime, but it might, depending on the detergent you have, which I think my detergent might do it. And I'm using this, but you're probably asking, your detergent color was blue, so why are you worried in the first place, and why are you adding more blue? Well, just because I can. So yeah. And anyways, after that, you can keep adding in your dye. And then after that, you can start mixing up the dye and kneading your slime to make it into slime. Like I said before, you can skip this, all of this, the lotion and all that stuff. I'm sorry if I talk a lot, I tend to do that. So yeah, most of this video is just me talking, just so I can get all the steps over with and not making you guys bored with like me mixing and stuff. Okay, wow, this dye is actually turning out really good. I didn't expect it to do this. Wow. Okay, as you can see, I mean, you can't really see because of the terrible lighting, but it's coming together okay. And it might still be white from the amount of shaving cream you put in, or the glue, or anything like that. Then you can just add in more dye, and then once it is done, you can start kneading it. It might seem too watery, that's okay. You can add in more shaving cream. That makes it way poofier and makes it so that it will get to the stuff you want. I mean, not to get to the stuff where you want. And to make it to the end, to make it harder so it won't just be watery like this. Okay, anyways, that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. This is M.M signing out. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it worked out for you. Thank you so much. Leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!